Bible School friends for Vacation Bible School. Today for our messy craft, we are going to be celebrating God creating the universe by making a universe. So for today's messy craft, we will be making a salt universe specifically. So items that you will need for this: black paper. You should see I have a cooking sheet that has sides like this is best, just for mess control. A paintbrush. You have watercolor paints. You want the glue bottle kind versus the glue stick might work, but I think you're going to be better off using a thicker glue. We have salt, and I have a little container to put that in to help us to spread it around a little bit better, and a water cup. So the first thing that we're going to do for our project is we are going to draw with glue. So you are going to try to make this look like a universe. So Ellie is going to make stars, she's going to make swirls, planets, and just draw on here with the glue. Okay? That's your job. Go for it. While she's doing that, I'm going to put a little bit of salt into this container so that we can go over it. So you want to kind of draw with it.
What do you mean?
So get a little closer. And you can make swirls like that. Yeah. You can be pulling.
Oh, yeah.
Get the idea? And your design is totally up to you, because it's going to look kind of like a, you really want it all over. Get it right everywhere. You can have stars.
Jupiter.
That's Jupiter. Ooh, okay. Want me to do a little bit more?
Yes. I want to paint. That's
We'll get
a lot of stuff.
It is. Okay. Next job. So this is what ours looks like with glue. All right. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to take salt. We're going to cover all the glue with it. And I have it in here so we can do it kind of like you might with sprinkles on a cake or glitter. Okay. And you just want to get salt everywhere. And this is why you have that pan with the sides, because this is the messy part. And what's cool about the salt is it has this nice shimmer to it. All right, I'm going to stop for a second. I'm just going to go like that and shake it. And we might want to add a little bit more salt. You really want to make sure all the glue is covered. It does look awesome. Think that's enough?
Yep.
Okay. So again, I'm going to take it and just shake it like that. And you may or may not be able to see, but it's got kind of a shimmer to it now. All right. So next job is the colorful part. And we're going to, what color do you want to start with, Ellie? Do some purple? Okay. So you want to get your paintbrush nice and wet. And you really, when you're using watercolors like this, you really want to get a lot of paint on there. So make sure you get it nice and wet. Okay. And then Ellie is just going to gently put the color where she wants it. No, on the salt. Honey.
Oh, okay.
You can put it elsewhere on there too. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. I'm going to go grab another paintbrush.
What planet is purple?
Well, I don't know. That's a very good question. I'd have to look up. I don't really know what the colors of the planets look like. That's a very good question. And I guess you can kind of leave it to your imagination for this, huh? But you don't want to touch too hard on this.
Mommy, I'm gonna make a pretend planet. This is what do you think, Mom? Purple planet.
Purple people eater.
Yeah.
Planet.
Purple.
That'd be pretty cool. Now, once I'm done with the color, really wash your brush well, and then go in for another color. What are you going to do next, Ella? I'm going to do some red. And again, you want lots of color so it'll transfer. Now, one thing about this is salt will start to flake off once this is dry. So this is kind of a project you'll probably want to take a picture of so that you can remember what it looked like. And our non-messy craft today is going to be kind of a temporary one also because we're going to be using sidewalk chalk.
Look at my blue.
I do love your blue. All right. Well, we're going to continue working on this, but for the purposes of our video, I think we'll stop here. You can kind of see how the colors are transferring. And once you are done with your paint, yes, we're going to keep working. Don't you worry. And once you are done with your color, you just want to let it dry. And I hope you have fun creating your awesome universes, and maybe you'll create some planets and stars and name them whatever you want, because this is your project, so you're in charge. All right. Have fun, guys, with your messy craft, and we'll see you later. Bye.